In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use another camera in Microsoft Teams. If you have more than one camera connected to your computer, like a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, Microsoft Teams lets you choose which one you want to use before joining a meeting. This is helpful if you want better video quality, a different angle, or if your default camera is not the one you want. To begin, open your Teams meeting and stay on the pre-join screen. This is the screen that appears right before you officially enter the meeting. It usually shows your video preview along with your microphone and camera controls. This is the best place to make camera changes because you can confirm everything is working before other people see you. Once you are on the pre-join screen, look for the camera icon. Near that icon, you should see a small drop-down arrow. Click the drop-down beside the camera icon to open the list of available camera devices. This menu allows Teams to show you the different cameras your computer currently detects. After the list appears, select the camera you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Teams should switch your preview to that camera. Take a moment to check the video preview and make sure the correct camera is active. This is a good time to confirm the framing, lighting, and image quality so you are ready before joining the call. If the camera you want does not appear in the list, make sure it is properly connected and turned on. In some cases, unplugging and reconnecting the camera can help your computer recognize it. It can also help to close any other apps that may be using that camera, since some devices cannot be shared between multiple programs at the same time. Once you see the correct preview, you are all set to join the meeting with your selected camera. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how professional and clear your video appears during a call. That's how to use another camera in Microsoft Teams. If you need to switch cameras often, it's a good habit to check the pre-join screen each time before entering a meeting, especially if you work with multiple devices.